So here are two examples from a section 3.5. The first one is to find the equation of a tangent line to the curve tan over sine x plus cosine x at the point 0, 10. Anytime we want to find the equation of a tangent line, I like to start with y minus y0 equals m times x minus x0. And we are given x0 and y0. And the slope is y prime at 0. So I'm just going to plug in what I do know right now. And now let's work on finding the slope. So y prime of 0, I need to first find y prime. There are a couple different ways to do this just with the knowledge that we have at this point. I'm going to use quotient rule. So it's denominator squared denominator times the derivative of the numerator. The derivative of 10 is 0 minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. So I always like to have on my paper somewhere, I don't know, sine, cosine, negative cosine. Going down is derivative, so the derivative of sine is cosine. And the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Simplifying, this term goes to 0, and I have negative 10 times cosine x minus sine x. So here's my derivative. I want to evaluate that at 0. Sine of 0 is 0. Cosine of 0 is 1. So I have a negative 10 on the top and 1 on the bottom. So I just have negative 10. Plugging that back in for my slope. And solving for y just because they have it in this y equals form. There's my equation of the tangent line. The second one, I'm asked to calculate the derivative of cosecant x times cotangent x. So because it's multiplication, I'm going to use product rule. Product rule says do the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. So here's where I'd have that little list handy of the derivative rules. So just to write this down, the derivative of cosecant x is negative cosecant x cotan x, and the derivative of cotan x is negative cosecant squared x. Now just plugging in, I have cosecant x, that didn't change. The derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared plus cotan x times the derivative of cosecant, which is negative cosecant x cotangent x. So this is negative cosecant cubed plus cotangent squared x cosecant x. And this should be a minus because of this one.